one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see a beautiful rose opening and unfolding, and as it does, it reveals the beauty inside. It releases the fragrance that has been hidden. For the Lord says, I make you new and beautiful. I'm restoring and healing. I'm revealing my heart of love. Don't fear, don't be afraid, but draw into my presence, receiving my peace and my love. For I am at work, making all new. I'm at work, revealing my heart of love to you. Faithful I have been, and faithful I will continue to be. For I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my hand. I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my spirit. As I make all new, as I make all beautiful, allow me to work. Give me the freedom to do the things which only I can do. For I'm bringing my healing presence to you. Surrender all into my hands, letting go, and allowing me to shape and to mold you, allowing me to perfect all that concerns you. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.